Today we're in this lovely home of this fabulous model, Lisa.
Lisa Boutsakakis. Hi everyone.
A very difficult last name, that's why I did not pronounce it.
It's okay, it's Greek.
It's Greek. So today's video is just going to be about pretty much a home style type lifestyle photo shoot that we're going to do today. So this is what we're going to do today. I'm pretty much going to be shooting with, as always, D850. I think I'm just really going to use this 45 most of the time. I don't think I'm going to use anything else. Maybe bring out the 85, it really depends.
Why?
Because that's just the way I want to shoot today. That's exactly the reason why. So we're going to do that. We're going to catch you at the end, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you at the end. Peace. watch. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. If you like the video, subscribe so you can see more. But anyway, beyond that, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was really challenging today, doing a lifestyle home type shoot, you know, being in a cramped place. Of course, most of the time, like I said in the beginning of the video, I used the 45 most of the time. I used the 85, but it was absolutely no help at all. But your boy got it done because your boy know what he's doing. Killed the shoot as usual. I'm lying because I really don't be killing the shoots. But I'm gonna turn it over to Lisa and let you know how she felt about this whole entire day.
Well, I feel like it was a fantastic opportunity to showcase myself and to kind of expand your talents and kind of broaden your portfolio experience. And maybe you will find value in this and subscribe and follow me, and we can have more fun.
Of course we are. Now, you know what, as the drill is going to be, of course I'm going to leave all the Instagram and Facebook, all that good stuff in the description. Also, it's going to pop up on the screen probably about here or up there. I don't know where I'm going to put it at, but you get the drift. So, like I said, hit that like button. Consider yourself subscribing if you like my content. And to the next video, peace.